All right, let's do it. Let's go ahead and flip the review of this Galaxy Z Flip. Wow, that was really bad. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be reviewing the Galaxy Z Flip. I'm going to rate the fit, the design, the display, the battery life, the features, the cameras, the innovation, and how different this phone actually is. So let's go ahead and start off with the fit. So the actual design of the display of the phone feels kind of delicate to me because it's actually the first ever foldable glass, which is actually not glass. It's actually plastic with a coating of glass. When the phone is unfolded, this phone is way too tall, which makes the phone totally a two-handed phone, which in my opinion, I see that as a negative. The crease is there, it's noticeable, but it doesn't bother me that much. The design of the actual phone though, it feels great in the hand. It feels really good materials. That's why I'm giving design 3 lemons. The display by no means looks bad, but it doesn't look as good as the S20 or as an iPhone 11 Pro. And since this phone will cost you $1,500, I'm gonna give the display a 2 out of 5. Switching over to the battery life is fantastic. It basically lasts you throughout a whole day without a problem. That's why I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5. Features. Let's talk about features. The phone has a tiny screen in the back, which is pretty useful when glancing at notifications or taking a quick selfie. Of course, the phone folds, so I guess that's a feature. Another really awesome feature, yet really small feature, is the hand gesture on the camera. So if you actually raise a 5 on the camera, it will actually take a photo for you, which is pretty cool. I feel like this device, apart that it's foldable and it's awesome, it's pretty featureless. That's why I'm gonna give the features a 3 out of 5. So the Z Flip has a 12 megapixel camera, which is decently really good, but it's not as good once again as the S20 or as an iPhone 11 Pro. And once again, since this phone costs that much, since it's so expensive, it should really take flagship photos. That's why I'm gonna rate the camera a 3 out of 5 as well. Oh, check out this slow-mo I shot with the Z Flip. It's pretty cool. So the Z Flip, in my opinion, is truly innovating. It might not be pushing the industry forward, but in my opinion, it's the first time that a foldable phone is actually perfectly usable. Of course, there's a lot of people who think like Felipe, my uncle.
So you do like this and it takes a photo.
Pero toda esta mariconada no sirve para nada, porque el móvil que tengo yo, que es un iPhone 8, va igual. O sea, al final, ¿para qué sirve que se doble?
And then there's a lot of people who truly think that this phone is truly different and truly unique and truly fun to use, which is me. And that's why I want to give 5 lemons to innovation for the Z Flip. And last but definitely not least is different. I'm just gonna say this. I've truly enjoyed this phone. I've truly enjoyed the Z Flip with every single lemon in my body. It's been a really long time since I was this excited about a phone, and that's why I'm giving the Z Flip 5 lemons for how different it actually is. Alright, so calculating all the results that I'm giving the Galaxy Z Flip, from the design to the innovation, the rating that I give the Galaxy Z Flip is the 3.8 out of 5 lemon. It's truly hard for me to recommend this phone to somebody because of its price tag. This phone will cost you $1,500 once again. That is so much money. And as I said, it's really fun, it's really different, and every time you take the phone out in class, in the street, everybody wants to fold it, unfold it, everybody wants to touch it. So the Galaxy Z Flip lacks a lot of flagship specs, but it did one thing. It did one thing really well, and that was to get people's attention, including mine.
That's life. That's life. That's what all the people say.